Take a look at the current conditions outside right now. 29 degrees in Eugene. Watch out for that patchy freezing fog on the roadways again this morning. Otherwise, mild along the coast. Mid-40s for you. 30 degrees on the dot in Eugene. So a little bit warmer than it's been, but still below that freezing mark this morning. We are seeing dry conditions across the entire Pacific Northwest. Few high clouds still drifting overhead. Very similar to what we saw yesterday. That ridge of high pressure continues to slide onto the east, and as it does, that means we're opening ourselves back up to what's developing in the Pacific. Two storms right now. Jet streams still pulling these apart, taking the first one to the north, the second one down to the south, and that still leaves us dry and basically under that influence of high pressure again today. And this is going to be the case all the way through Friday. Not the case, though, this weekend. Starting Sunday, this area of low pressure is going to make its way into the Pacific Northwest. Very interesting setup here. First of all, this storm right now in the central Pacific, it's tapping into that warm tropical moisture, really feeding this storm. Then from there, it's going to travel up into Alaska through British Columbia, and then it's going to come straight down from the north right here into western Oregon. And as it does, it's going to bring us a wintry mix here to the Pacific Northwest. So again, the timing for this is going to be Sunday afternoon into Monday. It's going to bring some winter weather conditions. So yeah, snow across the Cascade Passes. We've already seen that this year. But it's also going to bring snow to some of those lower elevations, including the Coast Range, even into the lower foothills. So again, this is still about 6 days out, but you want to stay tuned, especially if you're planning on traveling during that time period. Otherwise, continue to be quite mild along the coast. High temperatures, mid to upper 50s again today. Partly sunny, winds will be calm. And you'll see those overnight lows falling down into the low 40s. The Umpqua Basin, low 50s for you, falling to the mid 30s again tonight. So still a little bit on the chilly side, but otherwise partly cloudy and winds will be calm. The Cascades are still quite mild. If you're traveling that way today, a great day to do so. Again, dry conditions and warm. High temperatures nearly 50 degrees all the way to the pass. Still dropping below freezing overnight, but just barely. And again, it will stay dry. For Central Oregon, high temperatures back into the upper 40s and low 50s. Dry for you as well. And for the valley, highs back to the upper 40s today, very similar to yesterday. We do have one more day where I expect our temperatures to drop down below freezing tonight, but again, just barely, similar to what we're seeing here this morning. Otherwise, over the next 7-day stretch along the coast, those temperatures will start to fall as low as 45 by Monday, just 43 on Tuesday. And again, those rain showers will return Saturday afternoon and will continue through Monday. The Umpqua Basin, low to mid 50s for you through the weekend. You'll also see those temperatures starting to drop. I don't expect you to see that rain before Saturday night, but it will continue through Monday. High temperatures only getting into the upper 30s here by Tuesday of next week. The Cascades staying dry through Friday. You'll start to see a few rain showers possible Saturday. That snow level drops to about 5,000 feet Sunday afternoon, all the way down to about 2,000 feet by Sunday night. So we'll start to see that changing over to snow across Cascade Passes, even down into the foothills there Monday. And it's going to be some pretty heavy snow too. You see highs only in the 20s. And for the Willamette Valley, we too will stay dry through Saturday. We'll see those showers returning Sunday. They'll continue with us into Monday, and it's also going to get cooler too. This is a different type of cold than what we've been experiencing because high temperatures are not going to be in the upper 40s. They're only going to be in the mid 30s.